Hi everyone, and welcome back to Channel Name. It's the most wonderful time of the year, Christmas. A season filled with joy, love, and the magic that brings people together. Today, we're going to explore what makes Christmas so special, from its traditions and history to tips for making this holiday unforgettable. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, get comfy, and let's dive into the magic of Christmas. Did you know that the celebration of Christmas dates back over 2,000 years? The holiday commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ, but many of the traditions we associate with Christmas today have roots in ancient winter festivals. Take, for example, the Yule celebrations of Northern Europe. People gathered to honor the winter solstice, decorating with evergreen trees and lighting candles to symbolize hope and the return of the sun. These customs eventually blended with Christian traditions, giving us the holiday we know today. And speaking of traditions, let's talk about one of the most iconic symbols of Christmas, the Christmas tree. Did you know it became popular in the 16th century in Germany? Families would decorate trees with fruits, nuts, and candles. Fast forward to today, and our trees have everything from ornaments to LED lights. What's your favorite way to decorate your Christmas tree? Let me know in the comments below. One of the most beautiful aspects of Christmas is the spirit of giving. It's a time to show our loved ones how much we care, not just through gifts, but through our actions and kindness. Here's a fun fact: the tradition of gift-giving dates back to the wise men, or magi, who brought gifts to baby Jesus. Over time, this evolved into the practice of exchanging presents with family and friends. And of course, we can't forget about Santa Claus, who's become the ultimate symbol of Christmas generosity. But did you know that Santa's modern image as a jolly man in red was popularized by Coca-Cola advertisements in the 1930s? If you're looking to make your gifts extra special this year, try adding a personal touch. Handmade gifts, heartfelt letters, or even baking treats can mean so much more than something store-bought. Remember, it's the thought that counts. Christmas is celebrated differently across the globe, and each culture adds its unique flavor to the holiday season. For example, in the Philippines, the holiday spirit starts as early as September with the famous Simbang Gabi, a series of dawn masses leading up to Christmas. In Iceland, there's the fascinating tale of the 13 Yule Lads, mischievous characters who visit children in the days leading up to Christmas. And in Mexico, families celebrate Las Posadas, reenacting Mary and Joseph's journey to Bethlehem with processions and songs. Learning about these traditions reminds us of the universal joy that Christmas brings, no matter where you are in the world. What are some unique traditions from your country? Share them in the comments, I'd love to hear about them. Now let's talk about how to make your Christmas extra magical this year. Here are some ideas. 1. Decorating your home. Whether it's stringing lights, hanging wreaths, or setting up a nativity scene, creating a festive atmosphere sets the mood for the season. 2. Cooking and baking. Christmas is the perfect time to whip up delicious treats. Think gingerbread cookies, fruitcakes, or a classic roast dinner. Cooking together as a family makes it even more special. 3. Spending quality time. Plan activities like watching Christmas movies, playing board games, or going caroling. It's not about how much you spend, but the memories you make. 4. Giving back. Volunteer at a local charity, donate to those in need, or simply spread kindness in your community. The true spirit of Christmas lies in giving to others. As we wrap up, remember that Christmas isn't just about the decorations, the gifts, or even the traditions. It's about love, gratitude, and the connections we share with one another. So this holiday season, take a moment to cherish the people around you and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Channel Name for more festive content. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you in the next video.